Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna run? Where are you gonna hide? Nowhere. Because there's no one like you left.
Iti probinsya ng ILOCOS Norte, sakbay a celebraran ti piyesta dagiti minminatay, ket adda dagiti nakasanayanen nga isayangkat ti provincial government, babaen iti Provincial Tourism Office, iti panangidadaulo ni Mr. Ayan-Ri Raquel.
Getting ready, and we hope that we'll be able to engage the participation of many sectors. It's a fun week for not only for visitors but for all of us here in the province. After all the disasters that we've been through for the past few months, this is our time to really get together and celebrate the Halloween season.
Awan ikadaytoy atawen, adda dagiti mainayon nga aktibidad apag sasalipan dagiti agtutubo ang karaman iti SEMANA ti AR-ARIA 2018. Daytoy ket ti makungkuna a Mobile Legend apag gusto ngay ayamen dagiti agtutubo pakairamanan dagiti natataingan. AR-ARIA Mobile Legends Tournament ket may siyangkat iti maysa a mall iti ili ti San Nicolas iti aldaw ti Biyernes, mangrugi iti alas 10 iti bigat, agpatingga ti oras alas 5 ti malem, petsa 26 iti karay ti abulan ti Oktobre.
Gushen, you broke the family oath, tarnished the pure magic power. I'm here on behalf of the Elder Council to bring you to justice.
Coward, family, oath, it's all bullshit. I'll prove it in my own way.
Karaman pa'y ti aktibidad ataray AR-ARIA iti oras alas 6 iti rabii iti siyudad ti Lawag. Into no Oktobre 27, Sabado, may sayang katumet ti Capitol Trick or Treat, oras ti alauna, agpatingga alas 5 ti malem. Into no met Oktobre 31, aldaw ti Miyerkules, may sayang katumet ti parada Ilocana, apag partisiparan dagiti iso amin na local government unit iti probinsya.
Parade, a dance parade this year. So there's music and there's dancing. We're inviting everyone to participate.
Into no Nobyembre 1 ken 2, may siyang katumet ti Tumba sa Paway. Adaytoy ket agtinawenen nga isay siyang kat ti Paway Ilocos Norte. Aday daywenen dagiti local and foreign tourists nga agturturong iti probinsya nga Ilocos Norte.
Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna run? Where are you gonna hide? Nowhere. Because there's no one like you left. That's right.
So what? Evil spirits taking over, now they running through my head. Telling me grip that fucking gun, telling me pop that fucking lead. It's a bird, it's a plane, no it's Satan in the flesh. I'm that dead motherfucker, steady smoking on that death. Satanic Holy Ghost, snort that holy dope. Infrared scope, with that dot right on your throat. I'm that scarecrow in the corner, welcome to my crucifixion. Graveyard, living murder, itching, don't be superstitious. Demons got my back, I don't even fight it now. Black magic, voodoo power, suicide's exciting, I see.